turnkey solutions for the bakery and confectionery industry, totally integrated and flexible. These are some of the latest innovations that the Italian company, 65 years old Cavanna Group, is showcasing at the 2025 edition of Gulf Food Manufacturing. We'll find out more with the president, Riccardo Cavanna. At Gulf Food Manufacturing 2025, Cavanna Group is showcasing 3 of the latest innovations that they launched during the year. Riccardo, could you give us more hints relating to these innovations?
First of all, good morning, Sonia. Yes, of course. On our continuous improvement development plan, we are proud to say that up to date we are launching a wrapping machine that completes our turnkey system range of products. It's called All-in-One, and it's a compact, flexible, and integrated solution to provide all kind of wraparound packaging design.
And what about the other 2 innovations?
We want to take care about the small and the potential new customer. So we are launched and upgraded our EasyRun platform. It's back to the origin. It's an easygoing platform to provide a well trade-off in between a budget and quality for the customer that will be big in the future.
So the target of Cavanna Group plans is the bakery and confectionery industries, and now we can say that you cover, as usual, the big, the medium and the smaller industries.
Yes, of course. We want to take care about our customers since they are at the beginning. And that's why we have invested a lot on our service department, not only in the refurbishment and spare parts, but also on digital support. And the C-Connect, the Cavanna digital platform, is up to date one of the, let me say, most innovative digital platforms to provide and support our customer troubleshooting, e-learning, interactive catalog, a complete interactive communication, and at last but not at least, the OEE smart monitoring platform that is able to provide reports every day how to keep the performance at the best level.
Cavanna Group is exhibiting also at this edition of Gulf Food Manufacturing 2025, as usual. How much is important the MENA market for you?
The Middle East is really important. Since the origin, let me say, since 65 years, we have been investing in the region, developing business relationship. Just here in Dubai, I think we have more than 40 automatic packaging line running every day and delivering good shape and good flow up to the food industry. So I'm proud to say that we are also continue to maintain a personal relationship with the medium and the biggest player in the region. And to be honest, I'm happy because they are coming back every day to provide a new project or just for a coffee.
Referring to events and fairs, Cavanna Group cover all the areas in the world. What are the main appointments for the 2026?
As a global partner, of course, we will be able to attend the Interpack show on May 26, but we will be in Brazil at the FISPAL, Pack Expo Chicago, and at last but not least, Gulf Food Manufacturing in November.
So the appointment with Cavanna Group will be at Interpack 2026. Thank you so much to Cavanna Group and mainly to Riccardo Cavanna.
Looking forward for seeing you at Düsseldorf. Thank you very much, Sonia.